Hello friends, welcome in my PP channel Professor Physics. So today we will discuss about the Q value of nuclear reaction. So today the Q value of nuclear reaction and the equation of Q value. So in general a nuclear reaction can be represented as X plus A and in product Y plus B. So here X is the target nucleus and A is the projectile particle and Y is the daughter nuclei and B is the outcoming particles. Example, here uranium 235-92 atomic number is heated with a neutron. So uranium 92-235 is the target nuclei and neutron is the projectile particle. So which hits uranium and 235 and it produces after bombarding of neutron to the uranium 92 in nuclear reactor, barium 144-56 and krypton 89, atomic mass 89 and 36 atomic number, and plus 3 neutrons, that means outgoing particles produced after formation of 2 light nucleus light atoms, and plus heat is released. So this heat is released is known as the Q factor or Q value. So Q value, what is the Q value? The energy released or absorbed during nuclear reaction is called Q value of nuclear reaction. That means वो एनर्जी जो न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन के ड्यूरिंग रिलीज होता है या तो एब्जॉर्ब होता है, उसे Q वैल्यू न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन का Q वैल्यू कहते हैं. Here X is the target nucleus, as before I have also mentioned. X is the target nucleus and A is the A is the projectile particle which hits the target nuclei or bombarded to the target nuclei, and which makes product nuclei is a daughter nuclei and it is the outcoming particle. In general, a nuclear reaction can be represented as X plus A and Y plus B. Now, according to law of conservation of energy, total energy before and after nuclear reaction will be same or will be constant. That means conservation of energy के according total energy क्या होगा, न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन से पहले और बाद का जो एनर्जी होगा वो कांस्टेंट होगा या सेम होगा. दैट इज टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स or before nuclear reaction and total energy of product, that is after nuclear reaction. So total energy before nuclear reaction we denoted as Ex plus mx c square. This is the target nucleus and Ea plus ma c square. This is the projectile particle. So energy of X plus mx c square plus Ea plus ma c square plus Ey plus my c square plus Eb plus mb c square. Now mx c square plus Ea plus MaCa square. Here Ex is the target nucleus which is at rest. जो target nucleus है, the target nucleus is at rest, but the bombarding particle which is neutron is on moving. So this is the target nucleus. Now Ey plus My Ca square plus Eb plus Mb Ca square, this all are in moving state, because here there is outburst of two nucleus which is due to producing due to the collision, outburst collision. So here is particle is moving, so there is no rest in particle between those daughters nuclei and the outcoming particle. So here all particles move on, so the component of Ey will not be 0, but here the target nucleus is in rest, so the Ex component is equal to 0. So here Ey plus Eb minus Ea, that means Ey plus Eb we are drawn in left side minus Ea. And now the Ca square component Mx Ca square plus Mac, Mx Ca square plus Ma Ca square minus My Ca square plus Mb Ca square. That means these two components or sum of components drawn towards this side, so this is the negative value. Now since Q value of Ke of product minus Ke of reactant, what is Q value? Q value means in mathematical Q value is equal to kinetic energy of the product minus kinetic energy of reactant. If so, here Ey plus Eb, Ey plus Eb, Ey plus Eb, that means Y component and the B component of energy is the products, and the A component and the X component of energy is the energy value is the reactant energy values. This Ea and Ax component are the energy value of reactant, and the Ey and Eb component of energy value of product. So if the kinetic energy of the product greater than the kinetic energy of reactant, then Q value will be positive, hence energy will be released. So and Ey plus Eb minus Ea, here Ex equal to 0 because the target nucleus is in rest, so component of X in component so Ex component will be 0. Now comparing equation 1 and 2, so from equation 1, this is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now comparing, we get Q value. So what is the Q value? Mx Ca square plus Ma Ca square minus My Ca square plus Mb C square. Because the value of Ey plus Eb minus Ea is equal to this. So here we get two types of reaction during we get two types of Q values during the reaction. First, exoergic reaction, and second, endoergic reaction. So first in exoergic reaction, in the exoergic reaction in nuclear reaction, in this case energy is liberated, that means energy will be released, and the second Q will be positive. Why? Because the products kinetic energy of reactant, kinetic energy of product, that means after reaction, if greater than the kinetic energy of reactants, then the energy will be released. Energy will be greater if energy will be if the energy will be greater than that of reactant after nuclear reaction, then the energy will be liberated, and thus Q value will be positive, or kinetic energy of product greater than the kinetic energy of reactant. And the fourth is the total mass of reactant greater than the total mass of product. That means reactant mass will be greater than that of product mass. In case of endo-Orsic reaction, energy will be absorbed. Energy is absorbed, and the Q will be negative. That means kinetic energy of reactant greater than that of kinetic energy of product. So the value of energy will be negative. Total mass of reactant less than total mass of product. So next we get the value of Q values of reaction, and Q value of nuclear reaction, and the equation of Q value. So thank you.